Assalamualaikum students of grade 3. Today is 28th April 2020. It's your maths class and your maths teacher is here. We have started our revision and in revision we are doing unit number 3. Today we will do lesson number 2, estimating and rounding. Today I will tell you how to estimate two-digit numbers around 10. This will help you to solve out the page number 37. You didn't do this before, so I will tell you the two-digit numbers. Challenge 1, how to estimate the numbers. I will tell you a trick to estimate the numbers. Here you can see weak numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are called weak numbers to estimate the numbers, okay? And strong numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You will keep in the mind that the weak numbers and the strong numbers. Which numbers are weak? 0 to 4 are weak numbers and 5 to 9 are strong numbers. This will help you to estimate the numbers. Now I am doing some examples for you. Then you will understand how to estimate the numbers. Example number 1. Here you can see it is 40. At the end of the 40 it is 0. As I told you that 0 is weak number. Okay students, look here, this is 0 and 0 is a weak number. So it will not do anything, and the next number is 4. It means that 4 will be remain same, okay, and 0 as it is. Okay students, because 0 is a weak number, so it will not change the other number. So 40 will remain same. After estimation it is 40. Okay. Now I am taking another example. 45. At the end of the 45 it is 5. You can see 5 is a strong number. So it pushed the 4 and changed into 5. When strong number comes at the end, it will change the next number and the next number will be increased. 45 will be changed into 50 after estimation. Okay students, you got it? You will see the last number as it is strong number 45. In the 45, 5 is strong number. So it will change the other number. So you will increase 4 into 5. So answer will be 50. 45 after estimation will be 50. Now other example is 31. At the end of the 31 it is 1. So 1 is weak number. That's why it doesn't change 3. And 3 will remain same. And in the place of 1 you will put 0. So 31 after estimation 30. It will be 30. Okay students. Now other example is 36. Look, at the end of the 36 here 6. And from the strong numbers you can see 6 is strong number. So it will push 3 and 3 will be changed into 4. And at the end of you will put 0. It means that 36 after estimation will be changed into 40. Okay students, look, weak numbers and strong numbers are helping us to estimate the numbers. That's why I told you the weak numbers and strong numbers. So when you will estimate the number, you will keep it in the mind. Now going to other example. I am taking the other example 22. You will see at the end of the 22 it is 2. So 2 is weak number or strong number? You will check. Yes, this is weak number. 2 is a weak number. So it will not change the first number. First number is 2. So it will remain the same. And At the end you will put 0. So it means that 22 after estimation will be 20. Okay. Now other example is 27. You will see the last number is 7. Then you will check 7 is strong or weak. 7 is a strong number. So it will change the next number 2 into 3. Okay. 2 will be changed into 3 and at the end you will put 0. So 27 after estimation will be 30. Now other example is 53. You will see 53. At the end of the 53 it is 3. Now check 3 is weak or strong number? 3 is a weak number. So it will not change the value of 5 and 5 will remain same and at the end you will put 0. So 53 after estimation will be 50. Now next example is 58. You will see 8. The last number of 58 is 8. Now 8 is strong number. Okay. So it will change the place of 5 into 6. In the place of 5 you will write 6 and at the end you will put 0. So 58 after estimation it will be 60. 58 will be changed into 60. Okay students. Now other example is 74. I think you will get it easily now. 74. Here at the end of 74 it is 4 and 4 is a weak number. So it will not change the place of 7 and 7 will remain same and at the end you will put 0. So 74 after estimation will be 70. At the end last example is 79. You can see here 9. At the end of the 79 is 9 and 9 is a strong number. So it will change 7 into 8. Okay. And you will write 80. 9 has changed the place of 7 and 7 will be changed into 8 and at the end you will put 0. It means that after estimation of 79 you will get 80. This is the simple method to estimate the numbers. Okay students, now you can solve out the page number 37 from your workbook. Goodbye students, have a good time.